all possible speed. Still, nothing out of the ordinary happened as the weeks passed.
Exit regret.
I would compare it to Trump.
Yeah, Star wanted.
No, stop.
He's got family issues.
You don't
I wouldn't say Star.
To cover it all, he's verbally abusive. He is neglectful
Really?
of her and their infant child.
Screw bro.
Living with his grandparents.
It used to just be through January 1st. Now you go all the way to the Super Bowl.
Well, I always have. Like, I've done the last couple of years, I've done New Year's Eve in Vegas. But otherwise, Thanksgiving through Super Bowl, I'm watching playoffs and shit. And,
What the hell are you doing?
Now, my house burned down. Didn't burn down.
Really?
It burned. Telling me that. I've been living out of hotels.
You suck.
The entire
You
time.
really suck.
You
You suck.
Like electrical fire.
You gotta swoop around me just to stop in front of me.
Yeah, so it was all...
To St. Clair, down the Ohio to the Mississippi, and on to New Orleans. The shipyards at Marietta.
Red
and
light
upstream
run.
on the
Red light
Muskingum.
run. Red light run.
With the result that shipbuilding on the Ohio and Muskingum came to an abrupt
Right turn
halt.
regret.
In Philly. He then goes to a second franchise. Builds this offensive machine.
Really?
And in a bag of peanut M&Ms, I found a period blood clot.
No.
That's right.
What the fuck?
Was
Alright, get on camera. Kia. What's that name that one guy said I should call Kiasman? I forget.
things would be better in the second half because the Chiefs just never had the ball in the first.
Nope, up there. Come on.
Thrilled for it.
Let's go.
So, like,
Nissan drivers.
can we?
What comes out is like a desiccated brine shrimp, and then it gets rehydrated.
No, stop.
In 10
I will
seconds.
remember that video until my dying day. A podcast this morning, and one of the things that I learned in it was like the average age for
Red
women
light
to,
run.
for girls
Red light
to
run.
begin
Red
menstruating is-
light run.
It's 10 now. It used to be 12. There used to be like this 12 to 15 range. Now it's like 10 to 13. Like the range has moved.
No, stop.
That way you don't end up having... I'm saying that and I'm watching these like hearts fly around my head through the monitor here. It's so surreal.
Messol
But,
left.
I think the more conversation you can have...
Come on.
The more
You can do it.
set each other's expectations.
Openly talk, cuddle, definitely enjoy each other every day and date. And how do I be that husband for her that she adores, to be that safe space again?
Yeah, number one, dude, I just want to applaud you, man. I wish every husband in America would have doing the best I could with the tools I have.
Well, you're in the middle
those
of the
tools
street.
Making a bigger mess. But everyone lived in one room. And so everybody knew if
Red
somebody
light
had
run. Red light run. Red light run.
I've been in the room. Shocking. I was shocked.
No,
I was
stop.
Like, what are you guys doing?
That's my response. I should have been better. And this
You can
person's
go
response
now.
was...
You can go now. You can go now. Yeah, pay attention to the frickin' light.
believer in government programs, society taking care of its poor and disadvantaged,
No,
and
stop.
providing programs and infrastructure, and that's where I'm starting anyway in my own circle. I'll let you know how it works out, okay?
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Then his fatigue vanished, and he very agreeably spent the evening meeting
fuck are you
and
doing?
conversing with a half dozen or more of considerable importance, including James Mattydale, so large that only with great difficulty was Franklin able to raise it from a low shelf and lift it onto a table. But as it often was with old people, traveling both these days very bad, men and horses much fatigued.
No, stop.
The President of the United States took more than a month reaching Marietta. Measureless wilderness on all
Wait,
sides.
what the fuck?
And the continuing fears and uncertainties over the native people so close at hand, he was the only one left. They shot and killed him.
Okay, I think that's bad.
Scalps
I think I got on camera.
On the 18th of June, from this patch of ground, I raised that year 150
No,
bushels
stop.
of
I
corn
think Torio
that
turd.
wilted well, and many robberies were committed, and several murders perpetrated by them. From these dangers,
Red light run,
Father,
red light run, red light run.
Well, maybe you're just an easy guy to figure out. You ever think that?
Wow. Well played.
No, stop. No, stop. The most ignored stop sign of all of Syracuse is at it again.
or that the arrival on the scene of one single public figure.
No, turn on red or right on green arrow only. I think that means the same thing.
You know who would have been a great comic? Who would have been a great barroom comic?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
As I am very anxious to know my fate, I must ask the favor that you will condescend so much as to convey to me your
red light run, red light run, red light run.
To drive that down.
Very cool, and it all started.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Pedestrians, why are we walking in the middle of the street? You're college kids, you're supposed to be smart.
And Katie and I decided to do that to save our knees. And I think that worked out really well because we really didn't have any pain in our joints until day 4. A low moment, knowing that, you know, we lost the overall record.
No, stop.
And Katie picked me back up there, just kind of reminding me.
Pace, and so we knew it, our bodies knew it, and I just took the lead and I set that same pace. And we just
what
got
the?
a really, really nice.
You could have went like hours ago. You just sat there. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If this is Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut. But we are not in Connecticut. We are on I-81. We're in Brewerton, which is north of Syracuse. And, of course, they allow trucks in the left lane here, so he's okay, I guess. And I got to run my wipers because it's wet out. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!